Welcome back again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. This is Gift Ichichuku channel. Thank you for stopping by. Let's dive right into the video. Today we are going to talk about how to post your video fast. That is how to edit your video very fast to go viral. The fast way, because we know that posting video has been a very big challenge to content creators, to YouTubers, especially the new YouTubers. After filming, editing has been a very big challenge. Trying to make your video to come up, trying to make your video to look attractive has been one of the main challenge for new YouTubers, for upcoming YouTubers. So that is what I am going to treat on this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video. But make sure you subscribe to this channel. Watch to the end. Let's dive right into the video. Number one is, like as you see behind me, you are seeing my background. My background, this is my sitting room. I just choose this corner to use it to give example. This is my television. Behind is the table where I keep some things on the table for the television, like remote and my MP. That is what you're seeing there. Now look at that background. How do you see it? Make sure you get a corner, even though you are living in a room, one room, you are living in a safe corner, you are living in a duplex, whatever place or whatever thing you have. But the only thing you are going to choose is what a particular location, a small location. If it's in your office, a particular location, a small portion of your office, not the whole of your office, right? Not all the sitting room, like as I'm using my sitting room, right? Now you choose a small portion. Look for something to decorate it, to make the background, the behind, to look what attractive, because it's one of the things that will make your audience, your viewers, to stay by to watch to the end. Because sometimes you might have a quality video that you put out there, but because the background is not attractive, it will make people to click and pass through, right? Now I am using my television and this little stand behind me to make it look presentable, attractive, right? Now, if you don't want to use this particular method, another thing you can use, if you have flower, you can put your flower behind that location where you want to choose to stay to film your video. Another thing is enlargement. If you have enlargement or something like cloth, you put it what behind you to make your background to look what? To look attractive. Another point is you wearing a plain clothes. Like as you are seeing me now, I am wearing a plain clothes. Yes, this clothes has like two colors, but what you are seeing is the pink side of it, right? Wear a plain clothes, and that clothes will not look exactly like your background behind, right? So that it will make that background and your color, how you present yourself on the video, to pop up for people to stay tuned. That is the aim and the key of this video. What will make people to stay to watch to the end, for you to get what? Viewers, for you to get views, for you to get subscribers, and at the same time get watch hour, making your video to do what? To go viral. Because the more people watch your videos to the end, it gives you watch hours, right? More people stay, it gives you views. And by the time you are getting views, people like to stay to the end of your video. It will make the algorithm, YouTube, to do what? To push your video to other people to watch, right? Now, after doing this, what is the next thing? It will help you to do what? To go and create your thumbnail, do what? Your title, then your tags and hashtags and your description. You see that after filming your video, at the end, it will not take you up to 2 to 3 hours for you to do your editing, making you and helping you to do what? To be able to post your video for that day, if you have choose to post your video that day. But we have seen that the challenge a lot of creators, a lot of YouTubers have is what? This editing of our video background, making it to do what? To look presentable. Please For the fact you have your stand and your phone or your camera where you will keep your phone, another thing you should look at for is what? Your background. Look for what? A background that will help your video to what? To pop up, so that you will be able to do what? Posting videos what? Consistently. Because this editing has made so many people, they have so many videos that they have shoot, editing of their background to come up has made them not to post as regular as they should, and has made a lot of people to backslide, has made a lot of people not to have videos in their channel. So before I end this video, have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, support this channel, and at the same time drop your comments for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.